All right, welcome back. So at this point, you should have a script. Your project settings are locked in. And now we're going to work on the overall look and feel of your presentation. Of course, this is very brand specific. You can go for a modern cutting edge look similar to this. You can also pull this off having the most basic setup as well. Now, depending on what you need to do, this is going to determine the equipment that you will need. Okay, so at the moment, I'm using a USB mic called SSL Connects. I plug that into a USB port, click on the up and down arrow menu, and here is the mic. Now, if you're looking to up the quality of your audio, here's some ideas for you. If you've done an audio recording and it sounds great, then congrats, go ahead and skip ahead. But if your USB mic quality isn't good enough, here are some pro options for you. Okay, so this time, instead of using the USB mic, I'm gonna switch this over and we're gonna shift into using a professional grade audio interface and a well-coveted microphone called Shure SM7B. It's used for podcasting and all sorts of stuff. This will take the sound quality from this to this. It really is amazing what can happen when you start to stitch together all the right pieces of the equation. Remember, as a rule of thumb, avoid using the microphone from your built-in laptop. It's not going to sound very good. A USB mic will definitely be a jump in quality. And when you're ready, investing in professional gear will take it to the next level. As a reminder, we started here, and now we are here. So webcams and audio gear can differ greatly in terms of price points, in terms of quality, and the same can be said of the lighting that you're utilizing in your presentations as well. So here's an example of a video shot with no lighting. And now, if we flip them on, it's a major jump in quality. If you do not wish to invest in lights, make sure you're in a well-lit environment similar to this. If you've got direct sunlight, you might want to use some drapes to soften the light and perhaps remove some of the hard shadows like this. With our lighting just right, let's go ahead and talk about webcams. This is what it's going to look like to shoot on a built-in webcam found on a Mac. Doesn't look that good. If I then shift over into an external generic webcam, you get this experience, still suboptimal. A little better still with the iPhone 13. It's looking pretty good, but if you shift over and upgrade into an external webcam such as this one here, you get a much better look and feel. The goal with your first video is to be good. Doesn't have to be great, doesn't have to be world class just yet. We'll get there. Just get started. Make it good, not perfect. So please take the time necessary to create a pleasant experience for your viewers. I've tried to cover a lot here in a little bit of time. If you want to go deeper into lights, camera, or sound, check out the links in the description. Remember that these are potential clients and we should be doing everything to make sure that they feel at home. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about perhaps the most important part of your presentation, the introduction.